In this video, I'll show you how to hide your Facebook pictures step by step. First, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Go to your profile and tap Photos. Open the Albums section and select the album you want to manage. Tap the three-dot menu and choose Edit or Edit Album. Under the privacy settings, change the audience to Only Me so other people can't see the photos in that album. Repeat these steps for other albums you want to hide. For individual photos, open the photo, tap the three-dot menu, and look for the available audience or privacy option. Keep in mind that some profile pictures, cover photos, and photos you've been tagged in may have different privacy controls. For tagged photos, you can use Activity Log to remove tags or manage how they appear on your profile. After updating your privacy settings, review your profile using View As to check what other people can see. That's how you can hide your Facebook pictures and make your photos more private. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook tutorials. Thanks for watching.